In this video, we will solve exponential equations and we will solve 4 problems. This will be the first problem. This will be the second problem, the third problem, and the fourth problem. So let's get started with the first problem. And so for this problem, it's kind of easy because we have a common base of 3. Both of these terms have a 3 in the base. So we could say that 2 is equal to 3x minus 5. And we want to solve for x. Therefore, if we add 5 here, we can add 5 here. So 7 is equal to 3x. Therefore, x is equal to 7 over 3. And so we simply box in this answer. And even if you wanted to even check this answer, if you were to plug 7 over 3 for x, you would get 3 raised to 3 times 7 over 3 would be 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. So they would be the same. And now we will do the second problem. It's very much similar, except there's one more step. We don't have a common base. This is 2 and this is 4. But we can get a common base. So we have 2 raised to 4x is equal to, instead of saying 4, we could say 2 squared. 2 squared is equivalent to 4 raised to x plus 3. And now we're using one exponent rule. So we would get 4x is equal to 2 parentheses x plus 3. Because now we have a common base of 2, and we're just distributing the 2 here over to this side. So 4x is equal to 2 times parentheses x plus 3. Therefore, we could say 4x is equal to 2x plus 6. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 3. And so we simply box in this answer. And now we will do the third problem. The third problem, just one more step. Pretty much the same though. So we have base is 4, here base is 1/2. Instead of saying 4, we could say 2 squared raised to x is equal to, instead of saying 1/2, we could say 2 raised to negative 1. 2 raised to negative 1 is 1/2. And the exponent here is x minus 6. So now we have a common base of 2. So we would get 2x, 2 times x is 2x, is equal to minus 1 times x is minus x, minus 1 times negative 6 is plus 6. And now we're simply solving for x. So 2x plus x would be 3x. 3x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So we simply box in this answer. And now we have one more problem. So very much similar to the last problem we did. So here the base is 3. So 3 raised to x is equal to, we have 1 over 9. Instead of saying 1 over 9, we could say 3 raised to negative 2. We're choosing 3 because we want a common base. We have a 3 here, so we want a 3 here. And raised to 2x plus 5. So this would be x is equal to negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. And so x plus 4x is 5x is equal to minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. And so we simply box in this answer. And that's all we need to do for these 4 problems.